Okay guys, in today's video we will be checking out spikes trading in boom and crash. Yes, you heard that right. I've been getting this from most of my subscribers asking me how they can trade spikes with boom and crash. Okay, and of course probably I understand that they want to make more money and they want to reduce the risk. Okay, so this is very important for us to also check out in order for us to make more money right from here. So let's check out spikes trading in boom and crash and how we can make up to $1,000 on daily basis using this same strategy which we will be using in this video. Okay, it is very easy to do and you're going to love every bit of it because it's so simple. But before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the trading activities, and of course you should practice the strategies. You should practice the strategies very well on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload my training video like this? Okay, so many people have been coming up with this question, how they can trade spikes successfully. Okay, before you can trade spikes, you must really understand the trend of the market. Or probably, let me start by saying spikes is that sudden action that occur whenever you are trading boom and crash. Okay, it does not signify, it does not notify you ahead of time. It just pump up whenever you are trading boom, or crash down suddenly whenever you are trading crash. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, it only happens under these two assets, and of course you just need to understand this. Okay, so this is very important, and you can make a lot of profit from there. You can also lose a lot from there if you don't know your ways about it. So you need to understand the best time to trade it. Now let's check it out right away. Okay, so for you to trade spikes, you should be able to identify the trend. Okay, while trying to trade spikes, okay, the best trend to trade spikes for boom is when the market is on or is going to uptrend. For boom is when the market is going on uptrend. Okay, and of course for crash is when the market is on downtrend. Okay, for crash is when the market is on downtrend. Okay, that is when the market is on downtrend. That is when you can trade spikes in crash. Okay, so you need to understand this. Okay, and of course another thing you need to understand is that when you are trading spikes in boom, it's usually occur at the support zone, while for crash it usually occur at the resistance zone. Okay, so you should be able to identify all these. Okay, so in other words, for boom, most of the support zone on the whenever the market is on uptrend, most of the support zones are very important because they are most likely places where the spikes will happen. Okay, for crash, most of the resistance zone are very important when the market is on downtrend because they are most likely where we are to experience the sudden spikes happening. Okay, so this is very important. So what am I trying to say? If you want to, this is boom 1000. If you want to trade spikes here, you don't trade spikes when the market is on downtrend like this. Okay, of course there are spikes happening around there, but this is 5-minute time frame. You can imagine you placing a buy order around here. Let me do this. You place the buy order around there, and this sold till it got to this region and it spiked up. It didn't even get to your entry point, it still went down. Let me use this to indicate it got here, spiked up, it didn't get to your entry point, and it went down again, still spiked up, and went down again, still spiked up. You can see it didn't get to your entry point each time it spiked, so this can make you to lose a lot of money. Okay, so that is why it is important you understand the right time to trade your spikes. Okay, now let's check out when you should trade your spike. Okay, this is when you should trade your spike: when the market has been selling for a while and got to a major support zone. Okay, and you are sure that the trend is about to change from a downtrend into an uptrend. You heard that right. You are sure that the market is about to change from a downtrend into an uptrend. I'm discussing about boom. Okay, so and once you are sure of that, then you can start planning to trade your spikes. Okay, if you don't know how to identify that, right here we have a simple trading tool called the 3M Trend Milker Trading Indicator. It gives us the idea that the market is about to change its trend. Okay, right here you can see it's from the major support zone, and we've got a yellow flag right here. The yellow flag signifies that the market is going on uptrend. So once we get that, all we need to do is to wait for a buy order, so we can place our order around here, and you can see it came to this region and spiked up. Okay, this spiked up till this level, came down again, still spiked up, came down again. We can use this to illustrate, and of course it spiked up, it came down again and spiked up on, and it gave us multiple spikes, about 4 spikes all together without selling at all. Okay, so this is very, very important. You can see this will have given you lots of profit if you had come in around here. Okay, so at this stage you can easily lock up some parts of your profit by using your stop loss. So each time you place your buy order, let's say you place your buy order around here, your stop loss should be somewhere here to protect your profits, to protect your capital. But as soon as you start making profits like this, you can adjust your stop loss to somewhere here to protect your profits. Okay, at least you should be protecting about 40 to 50% of your profit at this stage. This actually came down, it was a very long dip. Okay, it came down and of course spiked up a bit, came down, spiked up a bit. It happens like that because the market is ranging around here. Okay, so until it got to this region, came down again, and went back there to break out above that. Once it breaks out above the last high, then definitely you can adjust your stop loss to somewhere here to claim about 60 to 70% of your profit. Okay, so this actually came down again and of course spiked up, came down a bit and spiked up. Okay, so right now you still need to adjust your stop loss to claim more profit for yourself. So at this stage it is already at the resistance zone, so it started ranging around here, means that this market is about to change the direction of the trend. So all you just need to do is either to close your trade at this point, or you lock up about 80% of your profit, which is going to be something like this. And of course it came down and it got to your TP, to your stop loss, so it's going to take you out of the market with the profit from year to year. So this is how sweet it is for you to milk the market trading spikes. You can apply the same principle whenever you are trading spikes in crash, just that it's going to be the other way around. It's going to be from the resistance zone when the market is going on downtrend. Okay, so you just need to start setting up more sell orders from the resistance zone, and of course you make more profit as it crashes down the trend. Okay, so this is very, very important. So just follow instructions and you will be able to get it right. If you are having this trading tool, try and practice this today. If you are not having this trading tool, then you can get one for yourself by contacting me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is in the description box below this video. I'm not going to drop it in the comment section, so if you see anyone dropping anything on the comment section that has to do with WhatsApp number, then it's not me. Okay, so just check the description box, you're going to see it there. Okay, so you can reach out to me that way, and of course I will be able to get one arranged for you, even at a very reduced rate. Okay, so this is very important. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away. Watch out for my next video. Until then,